Yes, and syempre, backstage parang damang-dama ko na excitement ng ating mga mahal na Lagunense, hindi ba?
Excited ba kayo?
Yes, pero bago yan, actually, pagkakaroon niya na ulit ng pleasant evening as well for the aming Mayor, Engineer Dennis G. Panganiban, and his lovely and gorgeous better half, Mayora Diana Panganiban, members of the Council and Local Government. Yan po, magandang gabi po. As you have witnessed, these gorgeous ladies are raising the bar of this year's competition, and for that, let us give our candidates a big round of applause.
Alright, congratulations once again, ladies, for that wonderful opening number. And I'm sure that all the people here tonight would love to stay and see them in their swimwear and long gown.
Of course. And ayan, hindi yearly the Quezon Puni Festival is held to uphold and raise awareness among citizens of the municipality of Santa Cruz about the importance of orderliness, cleanliness, and love for your town, and of course, a mixture of fun and entertainment. This is now the 15th Quezon Puni Festival and 115 Foundation of Santa Cruz as a municipality, and for that, let us acknowledge the people behind the success of this event, Mayor Dennis Panganiban, and of course, Vice Mayor Louis Campbell de Leon, and members of Sangguniang Bayan, Engineer Marisa Miguel, Madam Caridad Lorenzo, and Madam Aileen Talabis, and to all the municipal employees of Santa Cruz. Thank you so much.
Again, Mayor, Vice Mayor, and to the rest of the organizing committee of tonight's pageant, congratulations in advance and thank you so much. And now let's keep the ball rolling by beginning with our first set of special awards. Let's start with Miss Congeniality. The candidates themselves have chosen this year's awardee. The one with the sunniest and warmest personality will be the recipient of this award.
Presenting the award for our Miss Congeniality is Councilor Florino Davitan Sr., together with Engineer Lodemerson 1 and Mrs. Para Salvador. Our winner will receive 2,000 pesos in cash, a certificate, bouquet of flowers, and a sash.
And our Miss Congeniality is Binibini number 11, Mary Jane Juan. Of course, our Miss Congeniality is also known as Miss Friendship. So as voted by the rest of the girls, she is the one who has the happiest personality, the one maybe who is helpful among the rest. Congratulations once again, Binibini number 11.
Congratulations, Sarah.
We are just beginning. This is just the first award for tonight. Let's enjoy.
Awards.
Again, that's Mary Jane Juanes, BBE number 11, our Miss Congeniality. Moving on to take number 9.
Ayan, so ang aming next award, we will now award our special award, the Binibini Photogenic. So this award is given to a candidate who is visually appealing in photos. So chosen by our committee of Binibini Santa Cruz 2017.
Presenting the award are Mr. Rolando Valles, Mr. June Asinas, and Mrs. Rosa we have here. Our Miss Photogenic will receive 2,000 pesos in cash, a certificate, a bouquet of flowers, and a sash, plus a portrait photo.
And our Binibini Photogenic is...
Sino kaya?
Binibini number 15, Eliza Marco Saglaga. ang ating Binibini Photogenic. And now our next award is Binibini Best in Casual Attire. So this award will have no bearing on the criteria. Casual wear competition was judged during the preliminary round last April 1. So the casual wear worn by our Binibini candidates were made by Mr. Dennis Santos.
And here are our presenters, Attorney Henry Alejandro, Ms. Sinangan Bautista, JP and Tara from PLTT. Our winner will receive 2,000 pesos in cash, certificate, bouquet of flowers, and a such.
So our best in casual attire is Binibini number 14, Justin Baptista.
She's the one who stood out during the preliminary competition held last April 1st. As we wait for the presenters, and there they are, a round of applause again for Binibini number 14, Best in Casual Attire.
naman natin sila.
Ayan, and the crowd gets wilder. But of course, we would like to inform all of you that these three men have a band. It's called Click on Acoustic.
Yes, medyo intense na tayo ngayon, di ba, Angelique?
Yes,
Kaya naman, let's keep this rolling because nandito na ang ating last sets of special awards.
Excited na kayo ba kayong malaman kung sino ang makakatanggap ng ating special awards?
Yes!
Ayan,
Grabe sila!
the people at the back are really
Feel ko talaga ang
dynamic.
kanilang excitement. So now, ang ating first award is the Binibining Kalikasan. So Binibining Santa Cruz, just like other beauty pageant or beauty contest, is a competition that mainly focuses on physical beauty of its contestants. Although the contest also incorporates personality, intelligence, talent, and answer to judges' question as judges' criteria. So after so many years, there has been a huge commitment to beauty with a purpose. So wherein the candidates may have used their imaginations to devise creative ways to raise money and taking part in a wide array of activities. So from taking part in empowerment programs to campaigning for various social issues. So in this context, that the Binibining Kalikasan was conceived.
And I'm sure that Miss Philippines Earth and Miss Earth Foundation will truly love this special award. Binibining Kalikasan is a special award given to the candidate who made the most significant contribution on waste materials that is converted to cash. The award was conceived to promote preservation and protection of the environment through recycling and proper waste disposal, and to raise, of course, social awareness among the candidates by symbolizing the newfound confidence, courage, and spirit of today's women. In particular, their contribution on various social issues like the environmental protection, which I believe is the reason why when I went here at Santa Cruz, the environment is really clean, and I must say that I love it here among the rest of the municipalities that I've visited. So congratulations, Santa Cruz.
And yes, Angeli, aside from that, last year Santa Cruz was awarded by DILG MBCO ECA or Environmental Compliance Audit Award, and a recipient of DENR EMB grant on SCRB for its approval and compliance in SWM program.
Alright, so their efforts to preserve and conserve the environment is really recognized even by DILG. Now let's proceed to Binibining Kalikasan. CJ?
Okay, ang ating Binibining Kalikasan ay si Binibini number. Presenting the award are Councilor Ronald Obligacion, Admin Melvin Bonsa, and Engineer Maria Lourdes San Miguel. Our Binibining Kalikasan will receive 5,000 pesos in cash. As such, a bouquet of flower, a certificate, and a trophy. At ang ating Binibining Kalikasan ay walang iba kung hindi si Binibini number 13, Miss Ana Margarita Jimenez.
Congratulations once again, Binibining Kalikasan. Thank you to our presenters. Our next award is the Binibini, who not only has a very beautiful body, but also exudes hotness and oozing appeal. The best in swimsuit.
Our presenters are Councilor Serafin San Juan, Dr. Elmina Monteza, and Ms. Milka Conopio Espidillon. Our winner will receive 2,000 pesos in cash, a sash, a bouquet of flower, a certificate, and a trophy.
And Binibining Best in Swimsuit is, who's your bet? Number? I think I'm hearing it somewhere over there. Binibini, number 8, Sarah Margaret White.
Congratulations, Binibini number 8.
So she's the one with a curvaceous body and really confident with who she is.
Yes.
So that's Binibini Best in Swimsuit. Binibini number 8, Sarah Margaret White.
Congratulations, Sarah Margaret White.
And now we move on to a special award, which is Michelle Skincare 2017.
Presenting the award is Ms. Michelle Garcia, owner of Michelle Skincare. Our winner will receive 2,000 pesos in cash, a sash, bouquet of flower, and a certificate.
And this year's Miss Michelle Skincare is Binibini number
13, Miss Anna Margarita Jimenez.
Congratulations, Binibini Michelle Skincare 2017. You will be their new ambassadress or ambassador.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Ayan ang ating mga na-accept ng special awards. Pero I think meron pa tayong isang award pa, di ba?
Meron pa tayong isang ibibigay matapos ang Binibining Kalikasan, Best in Swimsuit, Best in Long Gown, Michelle Skincare 2017. And earlier we awarded the Best in Production Number, Miss Congeniality, and it was they are all distributed to all the ladies.
Yes.
So it's really hard to tell who is the favorite of the sponsors, of the organizing committee, and even of the audience.
Oo nga, alam mo, habang patagal, mas nararamdaman ko ang excitement at kaba, di ba?
Excited na ba kayo? Wow.
Grabe yung suporta na yun.
Actually, they must really be excited because we only have one minor award to give, and that is the Best in
Long Gown.
Long Gown. And of course, they are wearing Dennis Santos Creations. Palakpakan naman natin si Dennis Santos, our official designer for tonight. And I would like to take this opportunity as well to thank, of course, Santa Cruz for having me, and of course, CJ.
Yes, maraming salamat po.
For tonight.
Alam mo, hindi ito ang aking first time na mag-host ng pageant dito sa Laguna.
Talaga ba?
Alam mo, every time na nag-host ako dito, ramdam ko ang suporta at saya nila, di ba?
How about let us feel your support? Alright. And of course, this event won't be possible without the generous help and support of our sponsors. Thank you so much. Of course, to our Mayor Dennis Pangaliban. From 19 down to top 5, let's start calling the first finalist.
Yes! Continue that smile because magpapatuloy ka ngayong gabi. Binibini number 8, Sarah Margaret White.
Your still in the competition. Binibini number. I'm seeing her number there, 15, Eliza Sandagan. You're one step closer to the crown, Binibini number.
Binibini number 1, Maria Carla Payawan.
You are one step closer to the crown, Binibini number 12.
Lady Bayam Delgado. And now, down to our last one candidate na magpapatuloy sa laban ngayong gabi.
Alright. So many ladies, but only one spot left.
Kanino kaya mapupunta ang huling spot para magpatuloy sa laban ngayong gabi para maging Binibini Santa Cruz 2017?
And to complete our top 5 finalists, please move forward, Binibini number
17, Rosella de Ona. Again sila ang ating top 5, Binibini number 8, Binibini number 50, Binibini number 1, Binibini number 12, and Binibini number 17.
And of course, to the rest of the ladies, thank you so much.
Maraming salamat pa rin sa ating mga kandidata.
Ladies and gentlemen, our Binibini Santa Cruz 2017 top 5 finalists.
Yes! There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Ayan ako. Ramdam na ramdam ko namin yung mga excitement. You know what? Last year, this same pageant produced other shining individuals, role models of the youth and examples of a modest yet strong citizen of Santa Cruz. Now, to give their final walks, please welcome our last year's winners. Important to you, to be respected or to be loved? And why? Sa Tagalog, ano ang mas mahalaga sa iyo? Ang respetuhin ka o ang mahalin ka? Bakit?
Good evening to all of you, to the panel of judges. Good evening. If I were given a choice to be respected or to be loved, I would rather be loved, because it is through love that we will feel respect, because only the people who love you will truly respect you. They will accept you for who you are. They will accept your faults, anything. They will accept you, and acceptance equals love. And it is in love that we see God, and in God we see respect. So as they say, in short, love is the greatest gift of all. Thank you.
Well said, Binibini number 8.
Alright, thank you, Binibini number 8. Love conquers all, as they say. Now let's move on to finalists.
And now it's your time, Binibini number 15. Elisa Marion Sandagan.
Hello, Binibini number 15. Would you like to say anything to the people or even to the judges, for you made it this far?
I would like to thank all the supporters na nagpunta po ngayong gabi na to. My family, friends, churchmates, and classmates. Thank you.
Okay, now, maaari mo nang bunutin ang iyong katanungan. So, Binibini number 15. Ang iyong katanungan. If you would invent one thing, what it would be and why? Kung iimbento ka ng isang bagay, ano ang bagay na ito at bakit?
Thank you for the question. Let me answer your question using our mother tongue. Kung bibigyan po ako ng pagkakataon upang makaimbento ng isang bagay, ito po ay isang time machine. Kung saan lahat po tayo ay makakarating dun sa mga past events at time machine dahil gusto ko po na maipakita kung gaano din kaganda yung mga nakaraan natin sa buhay. Like yung mga dating tao na meron tayo, like the Bayanis, yung mga dating presidente na naging tatak sa atin at yung pagmamahal at pag-uuruga ng mga matatanda or yung mga lolo at lola natin noong sinaunang araw pa. At makikita po natin kung gaano karespetado, kung gaano kadisiplinado ang mga tao noon. Kaya naman po kung bibigyan ako ng isang pagkakataon upang makaimbento ng isang bagay, yun po ay isang time machine. Thank you.
Well said, baby. Number 15, I'm sure kung yan ang iyong maimbento, maraming bibili niyan. Di ba, Anjali?
Yes, inventing a time machine to know how our culture became so rich and so rare.
Yes.
Now,
and now, moving on to our next Binibini. It's your time, Binibini number 1, Maria Kyla Payawan.
hello, Binibini number 1. How do you feel you made it this far among the other ladies?
I'm very happy and a little nervous right now.
Alright, but breathe in, breathe out.
Yes. Huwag ka nang kabahan dahil konting step na lang to. At yan ay pagiging sa pagiging Binibining Santa Cruz, di ba?
Yes, and
So
you may
now,
answer in your own comfortable language.
okay, so now, maaari mo nang bunutin ang iyong katanungan.
And the question is,
At ang iyong katanungan, what do you think is the greatest invention of man and why? Ano sa iyong palagay ang pinakamahalagang na imbento ng tao at bakit?
I think the greatest invention of man is the technology because technology helps us in many ways, especially in our education. It is the basic needs of people nowadays as we encounter the new generation, or at this time, technology is the best invention of man. Thank you.
alright. And I kind of agree. Thank you, Binibini number 1.
Yes! And now moving on. Ikaw na ang susunod, Binibini number 12, Lady Diane
Binibini
Delgado.
number 12. You have so many fans. What would you like to say to them?
Thank you guys. Love that.
Alright, so please speak your question.
Maaari mo nang bunutin ang iyong katanungan. Yan. And our question is, if you were given a chance to be a leader, what do you think is the best project you will be implementing? Kung mabibigyan ka ng pagkakataong maging leader, ano ang pinakamagandang proyekto ang iyong isa sa katuparan?
For me, the best project that I can implement was positivity,
Because I believe that optimism is the faith that leads to achievements. Nothing can happen without hope and confidence.
that will be all. Thank you.
Thank you, Binibini number 12.
Lady Diane Delgado.
Yes, I think we have the same wavelength. Like for me, having a positive mind is having a positive life.
Yes.
Yes.
So now, last but not the least, Binibini number 17, Rosella May Bana.
Binibini number 17, you're the tallest, right? Ah, hindi. You look tall, especially on stage. Would you like to greet your supporters?
Thank you sa inyo. Sa lahat na sumusuporta sa akin, maraming salamat po.
Alright. You may now pick your question. I think there's just one left, so you have no choice. But I believe this will be an interesting one. CJ will read it for you.
Binibini number 17 ang iyong question ay, what bothers you most on what is happening in our country today? Ano sa iyong palagay ang pinaka-nakakabahalang kaganapan sa ating bansa ngayon?
Please do allow me to answer that question using our mother tongue. Ang pinaka-nakakabahalang nangyayari sa ating bansa ngayon ay ang death penalty. Kasi sa panahon ngayon, marami ang namamatay. Hindi dapat ganon ang patakaran sa ating bansa dahil ang pagpatay sa mga tao ay kasalanan sa Diyos. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Alright, thank you so much.
Maraming salamat, Binibini number 17.
How about a round of applause to all of our finalists for this year? And I can truly say that they are all intelligent as well.
Yes, I'm sure lahat deserving manalo, pero kailangan natin pumili ng isang Binibining Santa Cruz 2017.
And of course, the burden and the difficult task was assigned to our panel of judges. So I think some of them are smiling, some of them are really thinking, well, some of them are kind of changing scores as they heard the intelligence. And of course, again, the criteria of the top 5 was changed to beauty, personality, communication skills comprising of 60%.
And intelligence, 40% for a total of 100%.
So now we're gonna have someone who is beautiful inside and out and can really exude all the ideals and values of a true Lagunense. Now we move on to one of the segments wherein everyone is truly waiting for before the announcement of winners, and that is, of course, the part wherein we're gonna meet our queens from last year, right?
Yes. You know what? Last year, the same pageant produced other shining individuals, role models of the youth, and examples of a modest yet strong citizen of Santa Cruz. And now to give their final walks, please welcome our last year's winners.